This is a global best-selling and cost-effective economical laser cutting machine. The effective cutting size is 3 meters long, 1.5 meters wide, and power is 1,500 watts to 6,000 watts. It's equipped with an autofocus cutting head and an intelligent control system. It can cut, drill, engrave, and process various metal sheets. Its main features are fast cutting speed and high precision. Not only meet the needs of daily production, but also meet the processing needs of some customized orders. It's an indispensable processing machine for your factory.